Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys I have an issue that you're seeing here, and the issue in question is that the laptop has started up to a blank screen. Now of course if your laptop has started up to a blank screen with your cursor that you're seeing there, I'm going to show you some things you can do to fix this. Now this is happening in real time to my laptop. As you can see here, there's a cursor on screen. Notice nothing comes up. The screen is totally black or blank, and the only thing I'm getting is this cursor. I can't do anything, and of course it's frustrating as there's no option to select anything. Alright, so if you're facing this, doesn't matter the laptop. This is a Asus, but it might have an HP, Dell, you name it. It doesn't matter the brand. Alright, so these are some of the things you can do. Now straight away, if I press keys, you notice nothing is happening. The only thing I have is trackpad, and of course this is a issue where the UI or the user interface has stopped working. Now in these cases where the user interface has stopped working, one of the most efficient things you can try, you'll have to use the command keys. So go ahead and find Control, Alt, and of course the delete key. You can do it on this side as well. So Control, Alt, and delete. It's very difficult to do this with one hand, so I'll try to do it skillfully. So I'm going to try to do it. So check out what's happening. So Control, Alt, and delete. So that's Control, Alt, and delete, all three at the same time. And of course, here you go. Alright, so from here what you want to do is anything that will work. I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to try instinctively some of the stuff. So you can try sign out. Alright, there we go. We're able to sign out. Other things you could do is try to shut down. But of course, as I said, it's a UI interface crash. It just means that the user interface was not properly loaded. Then you can try logging in again. So go ahead and try logging back in. So I'm going to try logging back in. Alright, so I've tried to re-enter the password and I'm trying to log back in. Alright, we're going to see if the interface will load this time. And of course, this is a common error. It could happen on any device easily, especially when you're trying to sign up for the first time. It is a black screen as you saw with the cursor. And as I indicated, notice as well, it's taking a while for the interface to load. And there are other options that we can try, or other things that we can try to get it working. And there we go again. I think it has loaded to that screen once more. So we are back to this screen. So if that fails, another thing you can do again is to go to Control Alt Delete. This time we're going to try Task Manager. Changing the password won't help. Switching users will be the same thing as signing out. And locking the screen will be the same thing. So we're going to go to Task Manager to see if we can bring up the Task Manager. Alright. There you go. So this is a task manager here. So we should be able to have some functions here. Alright, so of course we were in task manager. So if you're on the task manager screen, there we go, we were back up. But even if it's blank still, so even if you're on the task manager screen, similar to this, if there's no power off option here, one thing I found that works is that you can simply go ahead and go back. So what I've found to work is that, and you can go to switch users. I said this wouldn't work, but there's actually an option there can help. So go to switch users in most cases and look down here. You're looking for the power menu. I was going to look for it in task managers, but go here, tap on power and do a full shutdown. All right, shut down anyway. All right, so I'm going to give it a minute. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to boot back up, and what I did was to do a clean boot. By doing that, the system should start up properly. There's usually errors, as I said, so we're going to log in. And even sometime when trying to troubleshoot this, it might just pop back up.